Factory from 1970 is a short documentary film by Krzysztof Kieślowski that really takes place at a single table conversation. It may not sound like an attractive subject for the camera. Actually, the film is quite suspenseful in its 15 minutes of screen time. The film takes place in a very specific factory, a factory that was actually a sort of a symbol of successful communist endeavor. Ursus was a factory producing tractors and other agrarian equipment, and what we see here is a meeting between managers of the factory, between engineers who are discussing the problems that they are facing. And the problems are really multiple. As we are listening to this long, dwindling conversation, we slowly start to feel that really it's complete chaos, that nobody is in charge. There are shortages, there are malfunctions, there is equipment that is disappearing without anyone held accountable. It's basically the factory as a chaotic endeavor that is state-run and thus not really fully controlled. There is one particular character of the engineer. You will know him immediately as you see the film, because he becomes a main character in the film, who really tries with all his might to prove some order, to introduce some order to the proceedings, and to really understand how is it possible that the equipment that was here yesterday is not here today, and that the orders that the factory is making are not really followed, etc., etc., etc. His frustrated face as he is becoming more and more unhappy with the proceedings is really a symbol of an entity, of an endeavor, of a factory that in its deepest sense is not working. And as such, it may be read as a metaphor for the whole communist state, that we are all in this situation in which we feel that something is deeply not working, but also it marks Kieślowski's approach as deeply sympathetic to the people that we see on the screen, because these are not evil communist commissars who Kieślowski is mocking or Kieślowski is criticizing. He likes those people. He knows that they are trying their best. It's not really their fault that the system itself is not working. So as you watch the film, which by the way may remind you of some of the films by Frederick Wiseman that he was making in the States at that time, you can really feel for the people who are trying to do their best, who really believe in this factory and possibly believe in this country as well, but they are faced with the complete lack of efficiency and good planning, and ultimately their efforts are wasted. This is The Factory, 1970 film by Krzysztof Kieślowski.